If Windows 10 fails to start, then the automated startup repair system will be invoked. This works by resetting the operating system components to their default state. For example, if a system driver is missing or corrupted, the automated startup repair tool will restore the original version of this driver from its driver's database. So this can fix the most common startup issues. To show you how this works, I have corrupted a system file to simulate a boot failure so that you can see the automated startup repair in action. So now I'm going to start the virtual machine. I can see a message that says preparing automatic repair. So Windows 10 has detected a boot problem and it has invoked the startup repair tool. Now the startup repair tool is diagnosing the system to try to find the problem source. And if it identifies any problem that it can fix, it will fix it. It seems that the startup repair tool has found something and is now attempting repairs. Windows 10 is now restarting. Let's see if the boot will succeed. Oh yeah, the startup repair has successfully found the boot failure problem and did repair it. I can log in again to my desktop and will check the log file generated by the startup repair tool to see what the problem was and what the actions the tool did to fix it. The log file is located under the Windows folder. System32, Log Files, SRT. The log file is named SRT Trail. At the beginning of the log file, I can see the number of repair attempts performed by the startup repair tool. In this case, it performed only one attempt to solve the problem. Here there is the number of root causes, 1 in this case. Here are the tests performed by the tool to identify the problem. It has checked for updates, done system disk test, disk failure diagnosis, and other tests. At the end of the log file, it shows details about the root cause. I can read that boot critical file and it gives the path and the name of the file that was corrupted. And this is what caused the boot failure. The action performed by the tool after identifying the root cause was repairing the file by restoring the original version. So the startup repair can fix some of the boot failures for you without you having to do something. But this is not always the case. The startup repair can't fix all boot failures, and you need to repair by yourself. This is what I'm going to cover in the next lessons. Thanks for watching. See you at the next lesson.